Okay, and then you're gonna get the slime out.
Oh, mine is, I love it. Oh, it's great. I fail mine.
Whoa. Let me feel yours. Okay, don't get it on your clothes, okay? Because that will stick. Be careful, watch your fingers.
I got a big one. I got it like
No, Zorana, let your sister open hers.
I got it like my Jesus.
Oh, what is that? Oh, it's like a little smoothie?
And then it's like a little
Oh, interesting. Interesting. Okay, okay. All right, now you want to open up your Barbie.
Oh no.
Here.
Pop. Mama, I popped mine. You get
Oh,
it.
I popped it out. Here, Red, look.
Mom, mine is so cute. I love mine. Mine is so cute. Now comes for the big reveal. Oh
Oh.
my goodness, I love it.
Whoa.
I never had a Barbie that her feel like that. I never had it.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm never going to put this in the bathtub. Never. Just
No.
never.
Wow.
Wait,
Her
what?
hair is probably gonna get super curly once we get it wet. I think. This?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like it. I mean, it comes with slime.
That's why you like it, because it comes with slime.